I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming.
Alright, so what is going on, guys? It's your boy Darius back at it again with another video. Now obviously this is not the normal type of video I do, so I figured I would go over some of the features that are on the brand new camera I have, which I'm pretty sure I'm going to end up making this the vlogging camera, because, well, it's so small. And then wait, let me go get it. You gonna zoom out? You gonna zoom out? Okay. And then on top of that, I have this little nifty contraption. Sorry, camera's messing up. Yeah, I have this little nifty contraption, which is a tripod with the case, and all I gotta do is the skeleton case, which I really like. Then all I gotta do to use it, pop it in, and I have a good little setup. But so I kind of wanted to try something different, and instead of looking at my ugly face, I figured I would show y'all what I was actually talking about. So it's got the normal features that any GoPro would. The power button's right here. That's the record button. There's the lens, and this one does not have a removable battery. I hate that it doesn't, but I didn't feel like paying the extra money for the Hero 7 Black, which has a lot of features that I probably wouldn't have used. But this is where you charge it. There's the SD card. So let's go ahead and cut this bad boy on, and I really like the way it comes on. As long as I can get it. There it is. There it is. No, sometimes when I don't, before I use it, it actually pops up the GoPro emblem. But I mean, it takes really good quality stuff. I mean, obviously you can't tell it on this camera. But in order to use it, it's kind of weird. Like, you have to scroll down, and then, are you gonna focus? For some reason, it is not wanting to focus. So, no idea why. Yep, no idea why it's not really focusing. There it is. So there's the preferences, and that's for voice control. That's for the camera beeps, slow motion, and that's to lock it. And then when you go to preferences, you see all the cool stuff. Now, if you watch my previous video, you will notice that it was the quality of the video, like you had a widescreen effect. And that's because I had it on 1440 to see how well that is. So now I'll put it on 1080. And that's just the rest of it. And then so in order to get to the preferences, you have to swipe down. And then to get to the playback, you have to swipe up. Okay, you don't want to work? Okay, cool. Actually, I don't think I have anything on this SD card. But you got slow-mo, you got 4K, you got like a timer that records for however long, and then you got that. And then if you swipe, okay, my GoPro kind of froze. Okay, now I'm sorry, the GoPro seemed to freeze. So in order to scroll to get to the playback, you would have to scroll up. And I mean, you see, I thought I deleted this stuff, but I mean,
nothing really
I mean, you kind of can't really, this is the video from the other day. I mean, you can't really tell it on this camera, but the quality of it is like really, really good. And in order to switch, you can either swipe or hit the mode button. But I mean, like I said, I'm glad I got it. It worked really, really good. So, I mean, for using a car YouTuber, like I said, I'm gonna rock it. I'm gonna try it as a vlogging camera. And I'm gonna go do another review as a vlogging camera. But I mean, so far, I'm really digging it. And I'm really glad I did not get the other one. So if you like this video, make sure to comment down below what you think. And I'm gonna catch y'all guys next time. Peace.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow.